the hidden key under the sea that Iran has yet to unlock. Imagine for a moment how fragile the foundation of the world's digital system truly is. At first glance, these are just cables stretched across the ocean floor, but in reality, they are the threads that bind the entire global network together. Iran holds a portion of these threads, undersea internet cables, that it has not yet used for any major purpose. These cables don't merely transmit electrical signals and data. They are the lifeblood of the world's financial systems, commercial transactions, social networks, and human connections. If Iran chose to act today, it could sever these cables in an instant. This is not a hypothetical scenario, it is a real and present danger. Most of the data from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and several Arab nations flows through these undersea lines. The cutting of a single cable could shake the entire system. Banking, trade, education, and daily life would all be disrupted. In Pakistan and Bangladesh, backup systems are limited, making the impact far more severe. In Arab countries, ports, economies, and digital infrastructures could grind to a sudden halt. This is not just a technological issue. It is tied to the protection of human life, livelihoods, education, and healthcare systems. The movement of buttons and servers around the world may go unnoticed, but it pulses through our lives like a hidden current. If it all stopped in an instant, millions of people would be affected, and countless businesses and livelihoods would hang in the balance. Iran's possession of this capability is equivalent to holding immense natural power that can shake human systems, yet it must be wielded with extreme care. One misstep could trigger a global crisis, one that is not merely technical, but deeply human and social. Every major economy and government understands this sensitivity, because in a single moment, the entire system could spiral toward collapse. This reality reminds us just how delicate human progress and technological power truly are. The cables beneath the sea are not just steel and fiber, they safeguard thousands of human relationships. Every online transaction, email, or video call depends on them. And then the question arises, would Iran ever take such a step? This is not political speculation, it is an assessment of the sheer weight of potential power. A nation's intentions and strategy determine when and how this power could be used. One thing is certain, the capability exists, and its impact on a global scale could be catastrophic. It is astonishing to think of how much power rests in the hands of a single nation, yet the restraint shown so far demonstrates wisdom and respect for global stability. Iran has not yet turned this key, signaling that prudence and international considerations remain in place. This power is not only a threat, it is a profound responsibility. We must also consider how deeply digital our world has become. Every country, every individual, every business, every government relies on this network. A single disruption could destabilize human life, economies, and international connections. This story is not merely a warning, it is a reminder of the fragility of human advancement. The hidden world under the sea teaches us that without responsibility, wisdom, and care, danger is only a matter of time. The severing of a single cable, the decision of a single moment, could shake the global system. And Iran holds that key, a key that can both protect and threaten the world's digital lifeline. This story imparts a lesson: the right use of power, the protection of global interests, and an understanding of the fragility of human life are paramount. These cables are not mere threads, they are the heartbeat of the modern world. The nation that safeguards them guarantees, in effect, the survival of global connectivity itself. Now, imagine for a moment if those threads were cut. How violently could the world tremble, and how deeply would human life be jolted? This power is immense, dangerous, and extraordinarily delicate, a force kept in check by patience, prudence, and the balance of international stability.